If you have a rental that was leased and it's now become available again, looking for a new tenant, you'll be able to upload this to all portals, keeping the same record you have in Locked On, but you need to make sure that it goes to the top of the portals by giving it new portal IDs. To do this, go to your rental property, change the status to for rent again. Once that is updated, you'll then go into the marketing, into the portals area, and you will see your domain and realestate.com.au portals. These are the main two that you need to change the ID for. If you click the change option here in the portals area, you'll see that it has a unique ID number. Now, making a change to this will mean that it's a new record being uploaded to those sites. So if I wanted to make a change to this, I could simply put XX at the front and then hit customize portal. The same for realestate.com. You'll see the unique ID and we could hit XX there and then hit customize portal. As long as each time you want to re-upload your rental, you change the ID, it will then be treated as a new rental and appear at top of the pages on domain and realestate.com.